Hi. In this video we will see how to create a purchase order. Please go to create new purchase order. Select the vendor name. Vendor ID will appear. Please select the ship to ID. Usually it will be your company address. You can enter other details like mode of transport, freight, insurance and pre-dispatch inspection details. Please enter the payment terms and special remarks, if any. Please enter the supplier quotation reference and quotation date. simpliRP will guide you to the items entry page. Select the item code that you want to issue the PO. Please note, simpliRP will prompt for 10 previous vendor quotation received and 10 previous price comparison from 10 different suppliers. This will help you in taking buying price decision. Unit of measure will appear automatically. Select delivery due date, so that this PO can be later tracked with follow-up calendars and alerts. Once price and quantity is entered, the taxes and total automatically appear. Save item. If required, you can add more items. Close and print this PO. Purchase order will be generated in a structured format. You can print the purchase order or even save as PDF. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your vendor management process. Thank you.